Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to perform MRI of female pelvic. So now let's go started. At first we can see here there are three images. Now the first image sagittal, this is coronal and another is axial. So look at the pathology and now I will do the plan T2 sagittal planning. So sagittal plan will be on the coronal and axial images, and look at the protocol. At first open the protocol and look at the showing parameters, and now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Look here. Okay, now I carefully planning. Now actually look at the pathology. Okay, now is and everything fine, then final apply. Okay, now the next T1 sagittal, just open protocol and copy T2 for slide copy parameters, slice and saturation region. Now okay, now the next plan. Now the next plan, T2 coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images, and look at the final image. This is STIR sagittal image, and look at the big pathology. Right now look here. Now I nicely set up the planning. And look another image. Axial images and coronal images, and now sagittal images. Now the apply. Now the next plan, transverse plan. Transverse means axial, so axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Look here. Now I nicely set up the planning and showing here parameters, and now showing here parameters, and now protocol. Now apply. Now the next plan, post contrast transverse planning. Just open normal transverse protocol and just copy, and then now apply. And now another is sagittal, the same way, just copy. Now I nicely set up, then apply. And now the next, look here. Same procedure. Now F4B. Look here. Now the apply, then the coronal planning, just copy, slice and saturation, and now finish the planning. Right now the showing final image. This is coronal post contrast images. Look at the pathology. Now post contrast sagittal image, and another is axial post contrast image. Look here, the sagittal images. Wow, very nicely. Wow. Now T2 sagittal images showing here. Look at the pathology and STIR. STIR sagittal image. And STIR coronal images, and T2 axial images, or DWI, and this is T1 axial images, and now STIR axial.